Okay, so today my uncle and I are visiting the University of the West Indies. So let's go. Okay, so a lot of you may not already know this, but I want to go back to school to get my master's, and I also would like to live abroad. So we're here today because I'm thinking, if I want to live abroad, why not do college abroad, you know? So today we're checking out the University of the West Indies to see if it could potentially be a home for me for, I believe, a year to a year and a half with the master's program. I believe the master's program is a year long here. So welcome to the University of the West Indies, the Trinidad campus. Faculty of Food and Agriculture Technology Demonstration Park. So I just had some doubles from UWee Doubles. It was okay. I had doubles in Page that was way better, but this was by the top 5, these will be like number 2. But the double staying down in Page for the win. So the sun is incredibly hot today, and it's hot. But let the tour of the University of the West Indies begin.
Campus registration.
Admissions office? Yeah, administrative building. So the bursar, registration, and what else is in here? Bursar. Is this house in here? Or is that a school? Okay.
That's like the front thing. You go down there and you can see it and you can do it, you know.